everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to resize images on Canva. Let's get right into this. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design, then go to the Custom Size option. Input the size you need and click Create New Design. Now, let's use this image as an example. You can grab it and drag it to the white canvas. If you drag it to the edges of the canvas, it will automatically resize the image to fit within those borders. Next, double-click on the image to shift and adjust which part of the picture you want to include in the frame. You can position it as you like. Another way to resize your images is by dragging the photo to the middle of the white canvas. You can then manually resize it by dragging the corners of the image to adjust its size. Double left-click to further edit the frame to your preferences. Alternatively, you can use the Resize button located on the top left corner. Please note that this is a Canva Premium feature. Here, you can create a custom size or choose from your recent sizes. Select the desired size and press Resize to apply the changes. And there you have it, different ways to resize images in Canva. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.